winching it up, and this guy was sitting there just going for a little cruise. Pretty cool stuff, eh? I think he's going out to the sunshine out there. That's what he's trying to do, I think. We've also had little toads and stuff like that around the door here too, so might be looking for something to eat. But just going about his business. Should look up the spiritual meaning of these things. Usually it means transformation, because a snake sheds its skin, right? Adaptable, being adaptable, etc., etc. But you can look it up. They're not a bad thing. Everything in nature has its place. Anyways, just thought I'd share it with you. Peace.